Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. Hashtag Make the Move 6534 Simone Shore Circle, the Marlin Floorplan. 4 beds, 3 baths, 2-car garage, 2,139 living square feet, 12 feet elevation. Be the first to own this 2024 custom-built home by Bistro Builders in the waterfront community of Hemingway Estates. This single-story Marlin floor plan offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a 2-car garage with unmatched upgrades inside and out. Enjoy modern smart home living, solar energy, and a private dock with quick access to the bay. Built with solid block construction and a stem wall foundation, this home stands at a 12 feet elevation. High-efficiency hurricane-rated windows and fire-resistant, seamless hardware doors add safety and durability. The hurricane-rated, insulated garage doors, along with icynene spray foam insulation, help keep the home quiet and energy-efficient. The home also features a hardwired internal and external security system with fingerprint and facial recognition entry. Inside, triple tray ceilings with custom lighting and smooth finish walls create a clean, modern look. The great room includes an electric fireplace, impact-rated triple sliding glass doors, surround sound throughout, and built-in TV and sound system. Imported tile floors flow throughout the main living spaces. The kitchen is built for real cooks, with quartz countertops, a waterfall island, high-end gas appliances, a pot filler, a wine cooler, and 2-tone custom cabinetry with organizational pull-down shelving. The dining room is filled with natural light and opens to the lanai. The private primary suite offers pool and canal views, custom lighting, and a large walk-in closet with a European organization system. The bathroom includes dual sinks, a jetted soaking tub, and a floor-to-ceiling tiled shower with multiple shower heads that adjust pressure, color, and temperature. Secondary bedrooms are oversized with tray ceilings and built-in custom closets. The split bedroom layout allows for privacy. The laundry room includes storage cabinets and countertop workspace. Smart home technology runs throughout the house, controls solar, lights, thermostat, security, garage, and pool from your phone or mounted iPads. Other standout features include floor-to-ceiling shower tile, tall bidet toilets with heating and custom soffit, window, and baseboard lighting. The garage features epoxy flooring and a dedicated air conditioner unit. Outside, heated saltwater pool and spa, and new seawall. The private dock with a 10,000 pounds lift makes boating easy. Solar roof tiles with battery wall storage provide energy independence. The HOA includes lawn care, irrigation, and landscaping. Located